A lot of people have been asking us about the Mavic Mini and how it flies in high wind conditions. You can see here we're in Brazil today and we're flying in 25-mile-an-hour winds. You can also see how windy it is from the kiteboarders and the palm trees in the background of all these shots. The Mavic Mini has no problem flying around and getting a stable, clean image, even while it's getting battered by the winds. Now, one thing that I would like to suggest if you are going to be flying in high wind conditions, the Mavic Mini might not be the best option. The Mavic 2 is going to be a little bit more powerful and it's going to be able to handle these conditions a little bit better. One thing that I did notice with the Mavic Mini is that it does have a little bit of trouble getting back upwind if you do fly downwind, flying directly into the wind. When I put it into sport mode, I was still able to get back upwind, but if I was going to be doing this all the time, I would probably want to have a Mavic 2. The Mavic 2 is going to be a little bit better in high wind conditions, but it is impressive. It is impressive to see that the Mavic Mini is still stable. The image is not moving around. The gimbal does its job. And just by sitting here in pretty much one spot, you can see how the image is really, really stable. And that Mavic Mini gimbal is doing its job there. So overall, the Mavic Mini, can it handle high wind conditions? It can. Would I suggest you do this every day with the Mavic Mini? Probably not, but not many people are going to be flying in 25-mile-an-hour winds every single day. So if you're worried about a little bit of wind at your local beach, the Mavic Mini should have no problem with that. And you can see just how clean and stable these images are from the Mavic Mini. So there it is. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think?